Meaning of Isadora Duncan.
Isadora Duncan.
Isadora Duncan.
Isadora Duncan.
Isadora Duncan. Isadora Duncan was an American dancer and choreographer who was considered one of the most influential pioneers of modern dance. She was born in 1877 and died in 1927. Duncan believed that dance should be a natural expression of the body and emotions, rather than a rigid technique. Her style of dance emphasized free-flowing movements, improvisation, and a connection to nature. Isadora Duncan's legacy continues to influence modern dance, and her contributions to the art form are still celebrated today.